guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for this weird angle, but it's the best we're gonna do now. I'm in my bedroom, as you guys can probably tell. Not my usual setup and not my usual video today either. I'm on my vlogging camera actually, and I'm out of breath. Composure. Oh, I've got a Diet Coke in here. Should I take it downstairs? If I take it downstairs, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh, I'm so sad. Today, I'm going to try to customize a pair of jeans because even though I can't wear them out anywhere cute right now, after this whole quarantine thing's over, she's gonna be looking cute. So, I haven't drawn in ages. I used to quite like drawing when I was younger. I wasn't the best at it. I wasn't the worst at it. So, I drew this yesterday. I drew this dog and then it ended up looking a bit like Vogue. So, I wrote Vogue on the top of it. But I want to draw that on a pocket, like this pocket here. I also have no clue how to do it, so it could go very wrong and just destroy a pair of jeans. But these jeans, they're from Misguided. They're really nice jeans actually, but they're a bit boring and I wanted to customize them. I'm gonna do that. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to show you guys what it's looking like, but I will keep you updated as I go along. I've only got one camera. I'm not like a bougie Jeffree Star, like 50 cameras kind of person. But yeah, we're gonna do this. I'm also in my onesie because it's quarantine. Who has the time to look cute? Am I right? Yeah, this is my video, so leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. Turn the post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you're excited for today's video, what was that? Then just keep on watching. I don't know if pencil is gonna come up on this, but we shall see. I'm gonna lie down like this because I just feel like it's gonna be comfier. Okay, I'm just gonna draw like a basic outline of it. I'm literally just sketching this very roughly and then I'm going to go over and do all the stuff afterwards. I just want to make sure that I get like the rough head shape in the right place. I'm not doing any of the lines or anything. I just want to make sure the head shape kind of looks okay. This is very, very rough. I forgot that you guys are even there. I'm not even talking properly to you guys. But okay, I'm just going to go for it. This pencil thing's taking too long. I'm bored. I want to just go for it. I'm going to do it in brown first, I think. Let's go. Bear in mind, this is my first time doing this. I've never done this before. So if it turns out a bit like trash, please don't come for me. Okay, I'm just trying to, you know, have a bit of fun in quarantine. Live my life. Guys, I've never done this before, so if this turns out really badly, please don't hate me. Okay, so this is what we're doing with so far. It's not looking great. I accidentally just stopped recording, but it's not looking great. But you know, we work with it. We move. Yeah, worst comes to worst, I'll just colour that whole pocket in brown. Now, this does look very B-Tech. Cannot lie to you guys. Oh no, it's gotten worse. Now, it's not awful. Okay, it's kind of awful. Shit. This is not what I want. This is not what I planned. And I just gotta say, I do not understand how my drawing went so goddamn wrong. So really wrong. Okay, I want to draw a pink bow on her head as well. So is this a pair of jeans ruined? I don't think so. I think from a distance it looks okay. Oh my god, of course the pink mark is the one that doesn't fucking work. Are you kidding me? Do you not know pink's my favourite colour? It just looks like she's got a spot on her head. I think the bow made it worse. That's bad. Really bad. I think I'm going to write something on them. Giving up with saving these jeans now, I think. Maybe I'm going to colour them in. I'm gonna colour in over here. I kind of want to write like, I'm edgy, I promise. I think I'm gonna write it under the pocket. And then I'm gonna put I promise on this side. Oh no, it's got black on it. Now, do these look like a 3-year-old did them? Yeah. This is bad. No, this is actually bad. I think this was a bad idea. Guys, this is permanent marker as well. So these jeans could be ruined. Oh well. This is what you do. And that's actually a bit embarrassing. See, if I just left it with the dog on the back, even though it's a bit of a shitty dog, it wouldn't have looked that bad. And if anyone questioned me on them, I'll be like, yeah, I just got bored in quarantine, you know. I lived through quarantine. I'm gonna draw a few butterflies. The question is, I know these look a bit shitty, but how bad are they actually? That's more what I'm worried about. It's like, I know they're bad, but how bad, you know? Ta-da! I think these are worse than before. Maybe I can like shred them or something. I didn't know they were so thick, these markers. I know that sounds stupid, but I didn't. I don't know what I want to draw. Guys, you cannot see this amazing outcome just yet. This is something special, these are. Teehee raw! Oh my god, those are awful. At least they have character now. If you want to see these tried on, you might get a sneaky peek in an Instagram post one day. Do you know what? Now looking at the dog, it actually looks amazing though. Looking at the dog compared to this, the dog looks amazing. There's I'm edgy, I promise, edgy, right? And then we've got lol, yay, help, I got bored in quarantine. I don't know if that's how you spell quarantine. I always spell it wrong. Then I wrote corona time. Apparently I spelled corona right. I thought I spelled it wrong. So this seemed like a good idea. Lol, because I drew this and that's where it all went wrong. And then I wrote, I don't know. Oops, what you looking at? Because I thought people would look at these because they're out there. And then, sorry mum, These looked cute before. I'm losing my mind, and those big clump of dark butterflies, which really ain't it. It entertained me for a solid half an hour. I just thought it'd be kind of fun. If you're actually looking to customize your jeans and have them look good, maybe don't follow this, but it was fun. If you're looking to have fun and ruin a pair of jeans while you're at it, you know, maybe do this. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. So I thought I couldn't leave this video on such a shit end result, so I've decided to do another customization. Yes, you heard me right, I don't learn from my mistakes, but this one is less chance of me going AWOL. Basically, I'm going to try bleach a pair of joggers. I've already tied them up in little knots. They're waiting downstairs for us to get on with the bleach. I've got little goggles to protect my eyes because, you know, it's safety first. I'm out of breath, but yeah, we're gonna get on with that. We're gonna try bleach a pair of joggers because I couldn't leave this video on such a shit end result. So let's go, let's try this. Let's get to work, let's do this. I'm doing it outside because I don't want to get the smell of bleach in my room because I just think that would be disgusting. I'm going to go do that, and you guys are coming with me. Fun. And I'm also making a TikTok, so I don't know where my phone is though. How do I keep making the TikTok if I don't know where my phone is? Okay, never mind, let's keep going. Yeah, this one is a less chance of me failing because there's not those colouring pens which turns me into a 5-year-old to destroy everything. So it could go well, it could go not well, but we'll find that out. Holly, do you want to say hi to my vlog? Well, that's not scary at all. So this is what they're looking like right now. I'm gonna go do them outside, as I said, because I don't really want the smell of bleach in my room. But it's like a bundling thing. I don't know how it's gonna work, but it could go okay, it could go badly. But I'm gonna do that in a minute. I'm gonna go get changed because I've just been informed that my clothes will be destroyed. So I'm gonna go get changed, and so I don't know what bleach to use. I've got goggles to protect my eyes. I'm gonna bleach them. I'm gonna make them look really cool. This one, thick bleach citrus. I watched a tutorial on TikTok. There's no possible way this could go wrong. I haven't got to that part of the tutorial yet. It'll be fine. I've got gloves too. Safety first, kiddos. Okay, so this kind of works. You won't be able to see the joggers, but it's fine. I'll just show you guys them at the end. Now, we are promoting safety. Question is, should I wear these out on an everyday basis to protect against corona? Now, I'm very scared about my dog being over there because she's very small and cute. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it. I'm scared. Oh, I don't think this is how it's supposed to go. Oh no, I got it on the blanket. I don't know how these are gonna go. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm pouring the bleach onto the little circular parts, little scrunchy part, kind of leaking. Now, I don't know when I know that I've done everyone. Have you been bleached? What about you, little guy? He's kind of coming cool, actually, I think. So I don't know how long to leave this on for. Really hard to see with these goggles on, I can't lie. But, you know, safety first, don't want to hurt our eyes. Basically, I poured it on each little individual thing. I'm just going to do a bit of a splatter there, just, you know, going, you know. They're looking kind of cool, but I don't know how this is going to look when they're uncrunched. I'm just going to say we're done because I feel like, you know, I can always add more at a later time. And then this is how we do it. This is how I learned it in science class. You take them off like that, so you don't touch it. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands first. Just give me a minute. So now I need to wait 20 minutes for that. Oh, my camera is on red, so I can charge it whilst I wait 20 minutes. I gotta wait 20 minutes for that to work. I think it's kind of working already. I guess I can show you guys what it looks like. I've closed the door. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is that. It looks cool, right? I don't know. Apparently I'm supposed to wait 20 minutes, but it kind of looks like it's working already to me. Maybe it will work more after 20 minutes. Okay, so I think it's been around 20 minutes. I'm not completely sure, but it's been enough time, I think. So I'm gonna take all the little rubber bands off and then wash it off with a hose pipe. I'm not gonna film this just because I don't want my camera getting water on it, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to, yeah, take those rubber bands off and then wash it off with a hose pipe. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna update you guys. Okay guys, so I've washed and dried the joggers now. I didn't see the point in showing you them after I kind of washed them because I still had to like properly like wash and dry them and stuff, and this is what they are looking like. They are actually pretty cool. I'm a pretty big fan. I was thinking maybe a bit more of the bleach, but I still think they look cute. I'm still obsessed with them and I'm probably gonna be wearing them loads, and it was actually really easy. So I'm glad that we could end this video on a high note rather than the awful thing that happened earlier, which, you know, actually is a couple of days ago now. It had to have some healing time before I got back on customizing stuff, you know, but yeah, I'm obsessed with these. They're pretty cute, and yeah, if anyone's wondering, the joggers that I use are just joggers from Pretty Little Thing that they gave me when I went to them, but they are just like black joggers in the size small, so if anyone's wondering, that's what I used, and they're actually really comfy joggers, so yeah, they're so cute, and I feel like these are so in at the moment. So yeah, this will actually really help you guys. Basically, I know I didn't explain it too much, but what I did was just scrunch them up into little balls, put bleach onto the little ball parts that I balled up, and then left them for 20 minutes and then just washed them off. Basically put them in the washer and the dryer, and that's about it, but rinse them off before I put them in the washer because obviously bleach. They're really cute actually. I really like them. So I'm glad we can end this video on a high note, and let's forget about the awful state I left those jeans in. But yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you try this, tag me in your photos or whatever. Yeah, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you aren't new yet, turn my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, love you.